Ever felt the frustration of a dead battery halfway through tidying up your garden? I know how it ruins the flow. That's where the CSKBT280PW battery steps in, perfectly compatible with your Kobalt gardening tools like the 80-volt chainsaw or leaf blower. With a robust 2000 mAh, 80 volts power, it promises longer run times and dependable performance. We stand by the quality of our products, which is why we offer a comprehensive 1-year warranty on most of our batteries. If you experience any issues within the warranty period, we will quickly test and replace the defective product at no extra cost. Important, this product cannot be shipped via Canada Post and is available for shipping via courier only due to it being classified as a dangerous good. A $20 non-refundable dangerous goods fee applies when this product is purchased. Upgrade your gardening game. Get yours now and ensure your Kobalt tools are always ready to work as hard as you do.